If you want to send a scheduled message on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all, of course, you need to open the Messages app and then go to the conversation. Then press this plus button that you have on the left side and choose Schedule Send. Over here you can choose when you want to send it. You have some 3 predetermined dates or times, and you can also choose pick date and time in order to choose by yourself when you want to send it. So let's say I'm gonna choose tomorrow 8 AM, and now I can tap on the text field, on the empty message field, in order to write my text that I want to send, and then press send, and there we go. Of course, over here we have the information that we have scheduled message, and you can also tap on it on the icon that you see in order to send it now, to update the message so you can still edit it, or you can delete the message if you want to cancel the send. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!